What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is 410 Auto Tech. My name is Tony. Today we're going to be unboxing the TOOLHEADZ crate service. This month they have partnered with Motiv tools, so I'm excited to see what they have. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what you guys think about it. Sorry for the noise, but here you go. TOOLHEADZ crate, cheap box, better stuff crate service. Let's unbox it. Let's unbox it and see what we have, guys. All right. All right. First up, you got your red, white, and blue rags for America. There you go. Next up, you have a OG TOOLHEADZ koozie. Great for your beer, your soda, at work, at home, on the beach, wherever you're at, you're wrenching. Good to have. Might keep your beverages nice and cold. Next up, you got a YouTube certified mechanic sticker. Gonna be putting up on the toolbox for you guys to see. I'm glad Motiv tools came out with a sticker. Very nice to see that they finally came out with a sticker. I think in my last video you guys saw that I recommended them to make stickers. So big shout out to Motiv tools. I see you have the 2 packs of Surma Glide for brake slides, brake components, and then I guess you can see you get 2 little brushes that go with it as well, so when you're lubricating all your brake work, use these 2 brushes. Nice to have. Let's see, TOOLHEADZ crate branded their pocket screwdriver. It's definitely going to go in my collection. I love pocket screwdrivers, mini pocket pry bars. Do love them. Let's see, it is magnetic, so it's nice to have. You got some hooks. Hang your brake calipers up. I have these are smaller ones, but I have a bigger version of it, so it's nice to have multiples. And you can use it for other things as well. Or you can just use a coat hanger, and the old-fashioned way is a coat hanger or zip ties as well works as well. So whatever works for you, knock yourself out. Motiv sent a package to a 20-piece Master Series 1/4-inch drive set, Master set. This is the one I have. I actually gave one away for some lucky subscribers. They have their advanced dual pawl ratchet, 72 tooth with a 2.5-degree swing angle. Most 1/4-inch ratchets have a 5-inch degree swing. You get 13 advanced sockets, 4 through 14 non-skip. Definitely 5.5, 7, 8, 10. 13 is a must-have in the GM world. Go to Motiv tools / TOOLHEADZ to get this set for $25.97. That is a killer deal. So big shout out to TOOLHEADZ for it. So like I said, type in TOOLHEADZ and you get it for $25.99. It's an awesome set for you guys to start out with. Awesome set. You also get 2 advanced faucet extensions. You get a 2-inch extension, and then you get a 6-inch extension as well. You get the hidden NT handle. My buddy Client Graphics did a review on it, snapped it in half. You also get, bit socket and 3/8 adapter, spring-loaded universal U-joint, which is awesome. It's very handy, very handy. I love it. All right, so here you go. You can see Motiv tools, designed for professionals, used by everyone. Coming out with their logo, they have the little X. So if you guys watching right now, Motiv, make me a sticker just like this. I'll definitely put it on my toolbox for you and me. You got a nice little package. The 1/4-inch universal joint, awesome. I already have one, but as you can see, spring-loaded. So it definitely helps. I've used it a good amount of time. It also has that advanced grip that helps you as well if you do need it. It's nice to have. And finally, TOOLHEADZ t-shirt. You got your God Bless America pretty much. Some nice set. So you guys killed it this month. You guys partner up with Motiv tools. Nice deal. As you guys can see, like I said, Motiv tools. I have my set, so they're doing a good promo deal right now. This set could be yours for $25 plus some change. Motiv X Tools, you guys are awesome. Thank you guys for partnering up with TOOLHEADZ crate service. I really am digging it. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the unboxing video I did for TOOLHEADZ crate. Some awesome group of guys, awesome Motiv X Tools that they partner with them as well. So can't wait to see what they have in store for next month. So each month they've been partnering with some great companies, showcasing with some awesome companies. So I can't wait to see what they have next. It's hot here, sweating. I have the fans running, sweating, so it's changed my shirt because it's hot in here. But so I hope you guys liked the video. Drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I have a promo code as well as TOOLHEADZ crate. That's an awesome deal for less than $26. You can have that set, the quarter-inch set. And if you want some more info, I made an unboxing video for you guys as well. I'll drop a card up here for you guys, so you can go check it out. That quarter-inch set, it is awesome. I've been using it constantly still. That U-joint, spring-loaded, it does help. I'm not gonna lie, it does help. So, like I said, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. So next time, it's gonna be 4-0. I'll check it out.